This year I've spent quite a lot of time surfing and living in France. Transitioning from the summer months into autumn has been a pleasure to experience, both from a surf perspective and from a cultural perspective. The warm summer ocean with crowds on the beach has given way to frosty mornings, offshore breezes, and plenty of swell. I've needed a bigger waveboard for like Morocco and here when it's big. So I got Ollie at Cell to make me one. And I had one session on it, it was really fun. It turns really well for a big waveboard, so I thought I'd give it another go today before heading down to Afrique.
If I miss a step, it's gonna be a... Yeah, I think it's the offshore winds bring them, but this one is big though.
To be honest, I've actually relished flat days on this trip because it's meant that I can take the time to immerse myself in non-oceanic cultural experiences without the FOMO that I normally feel. Travel for me has always been a privilege that I'm super grateful for, and with my current situation, it's probably something I'll continue to do for the next few years. And I think coming to France will be a regular part of the schedule. It's not only the waves, but the scenery, the people, the the weather at this time of year, all of it makes me feel so at home. Although it might look like a holiday, I've actually been working a lot on this trip. But what I'm really happy about and grateful for is that when the surf's good, I can afford to take the foot off the gas work-wise and spend a bunch of time in the water. In the next year, I'm really looking forward to expanding our team and our content for you guys. I tend to act like a bit of a bottleneck in my business, and entrusting the right people with some of the creative work will be a big step for me. These are all the things that I consider and work on whilst on the road. And of course, my own surfing. I'm going to take out the quad because it's looking pretty sizey and I need a little bit more hold. I haven't ridden the 20 a lot lately because there's just been a lot of power in the ocean since the melt ice. So yeah, kind of becoming a quad guy for now. And I'm going to leave the 20 that I'm working with Album. I'm going to leave that here for testing later on.
G'day, mate. It's got a really long one and the current's a bit brutal, so I'm going to do the walk back up the beach, paddle out in the rip, use the current.
Like the seasons changing, the excitement and novelty of being in France in summer has slowly transitioned to a deeper, calmer connection with the place. Travelling around the world, I always endeavour to find peaceful relationships with each location, and it's definitely something I've found here in the southwest. I'm off to Morocco now, and I can't wait to see what kind of waves we get down there. Of course, I'll be sharing that with you when I can. Until then.